Welcome. We solve for the value of x given this exponential equation. We have 3 raised to power x minus 2 is equal to 10. So solution 3 raised to power x minus 2 divided by this is equal to 10. Okay, so if you have a raised to power n minus m, this can be expressed as a raised to power n divided by a raised to power m. Okay, so that now you're going to have 3 raised to power x divided by 3 raised to power 2. This is equal to 10. Okay, so you multiply both sides by 3 raised to power 2, 3 raised to power 2, so that you have 3 raised to power x is equal to 10 multiplied by 3 raised to power 2. Okay, and so for the value of x, we introduce the natural logarithm, such that we're going to have log 3 raised to power x. This is equal to log 10 multiplied by 3 raised to power 2. Okay, to solve for the value of x, we apply two logarithm identities, so that the first one, if you have log m raised to power p, this can be expressed as p log m. You're going to have, if you have log n multiplied by m, this can be expressed as log n plus log m. Okay, so let's apply these two identities, so that we're going to have x log 3, this is equal to log 10 plus 2 log 3. Okay, we divide both sides by log 3. Log 3. Okay, if you simplify, x is equal to log 10 divided by log 3. This is equal to 2 because you simplify this. Okay, that the value of x equal to 2 plus log 10 divided by log 3. That is, if you have log a divided by log b, this can be expressed as log a to base b. Okay, so that means that x is equal to 2 plus log 10 to base 3. Okay, so if you recall, when 3 raised to power x minus 2, this is supposed to give us 10. Okay, so we substitute the value of x, so that we have 3 raised to power 2 plus log 10 to base 3 subtract 2. Okay, this is supposed to give us 10. So this is 2 minus 2, which is equal to 3 raised to power 0 plus log 10 to base 3. This is supposed to give us 10. Okay, 3 raised to power 0 plus log 10 to base 3. Okay, so now using the indices identity that state that if you have a raised to power n plus m, this can be expressed as a raised to power n multiplied by a raised to power m. Okay, so let's apply this identity, so that you're going to have 3 raised to power 0 multiplied by 3 raised to power log 10 to base 3. This is supposed to give us 10. Okay, and remember, if you have a raised to power 0, this is equal to 1 according to the indices property. Okay, so that means that 3 raised to power 0, this is equal to 1. Okay, and again, if you have c raised to power log a to base c, this essentially is supposed to give us a. Okay, so if we substitute 3 log 10 to base 3, this is essentially supposed to give us 10. Okay, so we have seen that 3 raised to power 0 is equal to 1, so that means that we have 1 multiplied by 3 raised to power log 10 to base 3. In our case, we substitute 10, so we multiply by 10. This is equal to 10. Okay, and you can see actually 10 is equal to 10, so that means that the left hand side, this is equal to the right hand side, and that shows that the value of x, which is equal to 2 plus log 10 to base 3, this is the solution. Okay, thank you for watching and kindly subscribe.